Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging, so it must be a review. Let's see who it is from. Oh, we got some little things and we have a pre-stamped cross stitch. If I can get it out of the bag. Alright, and this is from DIYDigitalArt. So we have some tools. I got another one of the rolls of the tape stuff. This one has paw prints on it. I was going to say, I hope you can see it. Let's get it going in the right direction. It's made just like the others, but this was in blue. I thought it was nice, so why not, right? Now this was 50 cents. So I don't know if they're still on sale. I did order this on the 29th of August. So yeah, it's taken a while. It might have had one of the companies that were closed, you know, during all that time. So yeah, some of these are coming in. So we got that to add to my collection. Then I got this little toolkit to see how nice it was. Actually, I kind of like the box. And let's get everything out of here. Comes in a nice plastic closable box. So I thought I could use that. I don't know if my diamond painting tools will fit in that or not. Of course I can't find a pink pen. Yep, all I got is, well, there's one. Oh yeah, they'll fit in there. So my diamond painting tools can fit in that and reuse it. But I thought this was kind of interesting. Now this was $2.50. If I can just get it to come open, we'll have it made. Oh, to hell with it. We're just going to do it the easy way. Some days, some battles ain't worth fighting. So that's totally fine. And you know, no, I was thinking maybe my well, floss could fit in here if you wanted to, but I don't think my sulky spools will fit in there. And it comes with a little pair of scissors. They're really sharp. I've seen other people use these, and sometimes you get them in kits and sometimes you don't. You know, it just depends how big the kit is. They're not very well made. I've never had to use them, but you know, it comes in its own little pouch, so you could put it in your pouch. Here it is, if I can just get it in there. Very inexpensively made though, but you could take them, you know, it wouldn't be scissors, so I think they would travel well. And of course it comes with a poof ball and a thimble. Now that one looks even smaller, so that might actually fit my finger. But it's too far down. As you know, I use this part of my finger to push the needle. So yeah, but it is smaller than some of the others, it seems like. Well, maybe they're all the same size. I don't know. I haven't gotten into any of these kits in a long time, but it comes with a poof ball that I can use. I can see it, I just can't get to it, in one of these that already has one, but I think I have one that doesn't have a poof ball in it. But you put it in these lipstick holders and it holds your needles and keeps them from going totally down in there and then getting kind of stuck. Yeah, great idea, Ava. From Stitching in the Interlake. If you haven't watched her, go take a gander. She does pre-stamped cross stitches. Sometimes she does diamond painting. I think she has even worked on paint by number. Of course, the dog has to bark. Hey. And we have a needle threader and 5 needles. So all that will fit right back in here. Let's see, will that fit in there? Oh no, not even happening. But yeah, you can just keep it there and You can add other things to it, like maybe a piece of cloth to hold everything. But yeah, for $2.50, what the heck, you know? I wanted to see what the quality was. Not real impressed with the scissors, but they do seem kind of sharp. So that's the end of our tools. Then I got a cross stitch kit, and it's kind of whimsical, but you know, hey. It is a DMC. I had thread on the brain. It's a Joy Sunday Want-to-Be. It is an 11 count, and it says Snowy Street Scenery. It's 51 by 61. Didn't know it was going to be that big either. Okay, yeah. Guess I should pay more attention to how big they are. This is going to be a full coverage. Let me see if I can get it out of the bag carefully. And these are in the reusable bags. It does have instructions on the back if you've never cross-stitched. But yeah, I just thought it was kind of whimsical. And I liked it. Does have some back stitching in it. Yeah, it's going to have back stitching. Great. I am thrilled sick. Can you tell? But let me get to it. I'm trying to see. It has 38 colors. It has French knots, back stitching, and full stitch. It's 175 by 222. So, yeah, you can see all the back stitching. Yeah. But I just like the little houses. I thought they were kind of cute. And it make a nice little winter project. Let's take a look at the threads. Okay, if I can get a hold of them all. Make sure there's no lumpies. So, shake it out a bit. And then I'll bring it back. Does come with 2 needles. It does have 11 count embroidered. We connect the world. I don't see. There's 2 whole things of thread, but it has some really lovely colors. And these here where it says 3, 21, and 38, those are your extras, but goes to 38. I don't know if that's, oh crap, if it's B5200 or, yep, it's B5200 for the white. It has 310. So, no 939. No 3771. No 800. Or 823, I'm sorry. Yeah, so, just beautiful colors. Look at those teals and the blues and the browns and the rust. I just thought it was whimsical. I thought it was cute. You even have purple, more black. Hang on. Nope, she's gonna stop. Okay. She knows. I swear she does it every time just because I'm making a video. Yeah. So, very nice colors. Very soft. And they're all very long. But you have a wide variety of spectrum of colors there. Let's take a look at the canvas. Very nice and soft canvas. Hang on. I'm going to fold it in half for right this second. It does have the name and both the numbers that are on the front page. And it's called Snow Street Scenery. So there'll be a lot of white and a lot of back stitching. Oh my goodness. Yeah, because the back stitching is really going to make this. I can see that coming. Nice big T over here. Easy to read numbers, easy to read symbols. There's a lot of color blocking in this. And I don't see any confetti. So, yeah, this is cool. And it does say, I'll bend that up. Here's your French knot colors, and here's your back stitch numbers. So on certain things, you use certain colors for your back stitching. So it's not all done in 310, is what I'm telling you. Now this kit was $15.75, and I'd say it was really well worth it. Very nice, smooth canvas. And it's not too thick. It is serged all the way around. Let's see if we can measure it. I don't know. We're going to try. Ouch. If my shoulder cooperates. Oh yeah, we've had rainy weather and my shoulders decided to go on strike. No matter how much Tylenol or ibuprofen I take. Okay, it's at 60 and a half by, I'm getting there, 52. And the actual picture is, I'm trying, 50, a tad bit over 50, which is, oh, come on, where are you? 19 3/4 by 41 centimeters, which is 16. So 19 by 16-ish. Yeah. But, you know, it'd be nice to just work on just one house at a time. You know, and I wanted something with houses or whatever. So, yeah, look for me starting this soon. But not today, because my shoulder is just killing me. So maybe we'll be past the rainy weather. But, yeah. And it does show you where to put all the back stitching. See, you know, this is what I don't understand, is why they put the back stitching in here when you have to stitch the cross stitch first before you put any back stitch or French knots in. But it does show you nicely, you know, right here on the paper pattern. This pattern does not match the key, you know, like your numbers will not all line up. Joy Sunday just does that. But nice big pattern, very easy to read. And you can even tell where to put the what do you call it? The back stitching. I was just fascinated, you know, just looking at that picture. I just said, God, that'd be so fun to do. You know, I thought it was going to be smaller. Oh, well, no. It's a little bit bigger than that. What was it, 51 by 61. So, yeah. I think it's cool looking. And I like all the black crows here. You know, they're all on a line over here. And I love how they did the sun. It's just whimsical. Just love it. So, yeah, look for me to start that one sometime real soon. Alright, now, DIY Digital Art has diamond painting and cross stitch, also paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all three of those. They also have a separate Joy Sunday section. And they do embroidery. They have jigsaw puzzles, paper quilling, silicone molds. They have a wax shop where you can get the little stamps and the wax. They have printed bags and in canvas and linen on the bags. They have custom in diamond painting and cross stitch, so do check them out. Thank you, DIY Digital Art, for sending me these lovely kits. Did I tell you when I ordered? Oh yeah, we went through that. I'm sorry, I'm repeating myself. Don't want to miss any information. If they have any specials, I don't know if they have free shipping. I think it's over $40, but if that changes or has changed, because some of my notes, you know, change periodically, I will put that in the description box below. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. It's all free. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.